I kind of like the light over there.
The yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like I'm on a beach. And
Why do we
there's
look so
sun.
athletic?
I just came from yoga.
We're wearing...
You have no excuses because you go to the gym to watch Netflix. So
I go to the gym to work out.
no, he watches Netflix, guys, as he walks on the treadmill.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
And this is his boyfriend Fabio. Hello, guys.
And we're back with another video!
We're back with another video. In today's video,
many people have been asking Yani, where's the hook? Yani, where's the hook?
he's.
We're back with another video.
You know
I
why
hate it! I wanna disappear.
No, it's not gonna disappear. You know why he's not doing this anymore? Because someone in the previous videos commented that he has very fat fingers.
No, nobody commented that.
Yeah, someone. I'll screenshot it. I'll put it.
You know what they say with fat fingers.
There's always that exception, right? That confirms the rule. Well, I guess
Today's
we have
video-
the exception.
Today's video, we're gonna be reacting and watching who won or who is in the top 10 for the best national costume for Binibining Pilipinas 2019 competition. So we're excited, and I wonder if all my favorites are in the top 10.
I'm very
I will
curious
remember.
about
I will remember those ones. So, before we begin, make sure to like this video, you guys, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you follow us on Instagram as well, because we post a lot of pictures
cute pictures, I have to say.
and secrets in our stories that we'll never share on YouTube. So if you are curious about that, please go ahead and check that out. So without further ado,
Let's get right into the video.
let's get right into the video.
Without further, you.
The announcement of the top 10 best in national costume.
Okay, this is the announcement of the top 10 best national costume.
As early as now,
I hope I will see my favorites.
Oh my god, they look so colorful, like Power Rangers or something.
They do look like Power Rangers.
website, alright? But this time, let's begin with the
I don't
Oh my
remember the
God.
yellow one.
in national costume.
The white one I see, I remember that.
Oh, they're from the photo shoot, right?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I didn't remember. I remember the guitars,
Oh, the guitar, Eileen.
the beautiful flower. Look at her. Our friend is back there.
Our friend. Oh, the purple.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember her.
Yeah, that was a beautiful
She's very good. I
costume.
remember that one.
Oh.
She looks so pretty too. Oh, she looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
By the way, credit to whoever
feathers.
took this video.
Those feathers are so.
Remember I asked if... I'm not sure. See? Wait, can we go back? See? From what I remember, I feel like the feathers were to the front.
Yeah.
Before... Or, wait. Oh no, it's the same one.
You're
Sorry.
so wrong.
I'm just being
Dramatic.
stupid. Yeah, I like it. But I wasn't sure earlier before if the feather should go off from the front as well, but I like it.
And now please step forward, Binibining.
Oh my god, who's gonna be the next one?
So intense. Who?
Who?
Which one?
Look, she's clapping with the fans.
Oh yes!
Oh.
The Golden Warrior.
Yeah, that
I
was
remember
a
her
beautiful
too.
one too.
Oh, this is not a warrior. Wow.
Oh my god, so sparkly. Look at that.
You know, this is the first time we're seeing them walk.
Wow. The back is good. It's like a pillow. Wow.
Which one is that? Which one is that?
She's in the back? Oh, that's why she has to make her way in.
Oh, I remember that
Oh,
one.
the
The feather, the angel,
angel,
the
yeah.
gold and white.
Oh!
Oh, look at those heels, Mama.
Oh my gosh.
Eagle. Oh, I love this.
Wow.
She's sparkling. She's sending signal to the aliens back.
Yes.
I'm so interested. Why do we like pageants so much?
Who's gonna be the next? Oh. Listen, them.
Masbate. Yes, Hannah Arnold.
Oh, and Arnold.
I love this one. Oh my god.
Oh,
Bitch.
That luggage must have been heavy, girl.
I'm like, who's behind her? Who's dragging her dress? But
Oh my god.
wow, yes, Hannah Arnold.
Wow.
Oh, congrats to you, Hannah.
Congrats.
We've been
yeah.
sending DMs. We're friends.
Gorgeous.
Look at the back.
That must have been hard
I know.
to walk and do the runway on.
Palawan.
the other end.
Yes.
Yes.
That's eagle or that's rooster, I think.
Yeah, it's rooster. Oh my
Is it
god,
rooster or
gold. Oh,
Bitch.
surprise.
Bitch.
Oh my gosh.
Bitch. I'm like.
She pulled the wings. She's like reveal.
She decapitated her wings and turned into fan. I was like, it's too hot in here. She decapitated. Oh my god. She
Wow.
she could probably fry that off and make chicken wings.
Oh wow.
I was shocked. See, there's so much more.
I think Popeyes is gonna hire her.
Or Jollibee. Jollibee is
It's a fried
Philippines. See, there's so much more about the costumes. It's better to watch it in live, like videos like this,
Yeah.
because we were only watching it during pictures. We didn't even know Hannah Arnold's had all those pots behind her. So,
Yeah.
I'm curious. The guitar has to win. Which one? Oh, yes.
Oh nice.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. Wow, she looks like a jellyfish.
This is like super nice details actually for this costume. Like the
Oh, look at that cake. She looks like a jellyfish walking.
She does.
Okay, the guitar has to win.
The guitar has to go in the top 10.
Yes! Isn't that her?
Cebu. I don't remember.
Oh, the other one.
Oh.
That's nice, yeah.
It's a nice costume, yeah.
I don't think it was one of my favorites.
Me neither. Was this the one that I was saying that is a bit Thai inspired or no? No, maybe.
Yeah. It's Thai inspired, maybe.
I don't remember.
I like the fabric flow, though. Oh my god, look at her.
Yeah,
Contortionist.
she's bending. It's like Mary Poppins.
Puerto
Oh!
Princesa. Who's that?
Oh,
wow.
That was a beautiful
Yes.
dress.
I remember. Oh, look at her. It fits her.
Oh! My
Bitch!
God. Yes. Whoa!
Oh, I love
She got an
that.
erection.
But isn't like male peacocks only does that? The female are ugly. Everybody loves Mandawi. Who's Mandawi? I think it's Eileen, the guitar. Maguindanao.
Who is that?
Oh yes, I remember her.
yeah.
Look at the fan, the way it moves.
Gorgeous.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
It's like a flicking them wrist. Rooster. Yeah, she's pretty.
Yes, boss.
She's very colorful. I like what she's doing with the fan.
Yeah, it's hypnotizing.
It is.
Is it the last?
Is it the last
Oh.
one?
Who's gonna be? I really wanted the guitar. Oh wow, she's covering all the other girls.
She's shaded everyone. Everyone's
like-
irrelevant.
She's like, sorry girls.
Everyone else is irrelevant. Who? Pampanga.
Who is this? I don't remember.
Which one's Pampanga? I think the guitar!
Is she?
Look, she's moving. No? Or no? Oh, the white dress.
from the back.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
this was a very gorgeous dress.
Oh, that is a gorgeous.
But the guitar didn't win?
The guitar.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, this dress is so
I feel like she looks like she's the winner already. Look at that.
It's just the crown.
the scepter. Oh, the fabric is manipulated in such a way that it's so beautiful. Is that it?
I think so.
Top 10. So are they gonna declare the winner? Top 10 best national costume.
Yeah,
So when are they gonna do the swimsuit?
I can see that.
Oh, so the viewers were voting for it. It wasn't even the judges.
Wow. Those are such costumes. So elaborated.
June 9, next Sunday. Is it next Sunday? Yeah, next Sunday. Oh, we have to watch it next Sunday. It's crazy how some of my favorites are not on the top.
Same. But most of my favorites are in the top.
Most
The
of
only
them.
one I'm very shocked is the guitar one.
The guitar one.
I thought she was gonna be like for sure in the
That
top.
is such part of the culture. And yeah.
Wow, suspense for nothing. Wow.
Anyway, comment below again, you guys. Who's your top 10? I know you commented in a previous video. We're gonna react to all of your top 10s and we're gonna decide as well. And we're gonna see if you guys are correct. If we like what you like, but we really don't know how to judge them at this point because we've only been watching their pictures. But soon, Coronation Night is coming up. We're gonna be reacting to that for sure.
Oh
So
my goodness. I'm so excited. It's nerve-wracking. It's the question and answer that I'm really looking forward to.
I have some favorites: Magno, Hannah Arnold, Eileen, Shane Tormes.
Shane, yeah.
Who's the other one? Gazzini.
Oh yeah, Gazzini.
Gazzini. Everybody's been saying Gazzini.
Yeah,
Everyone's
that's
rooting
true.
for Gazzini. Which one is she in the best costume? Did she win? I don't know.
I don't think so.
Anyway, thank you so much
That's
for watching.
exciting. Thank you for watching. Comment down
We
below
see you
whatever
on
you want us to
next
do.
time.
Better moisturize.
Guys,
You're so damn
Guys, I
nice.
watched Aladdin last night. I fell in love.
He went without me. Guess what?
Can I sing for you all?
Bye guys. See you.
Okay. I'm gonna sing.
No, sing
Jasmine.
for them. Sing for them.
Jasmine.
Sing for them.
Abu, come. Abu. Abu, come. Ow. I can show. What key is it? What key is it?
I don't know. I have fob keys for the door. I don't have a key.
I can. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.